Right now, your brain is deleting memories. Not because something is wrong, but because it has to. It's quietly deciding what to keep and what to erase. You see thousands of images and hear hundreds of sounds every day. But by tomorrow, you'll remember almost none of them.
And surprisingly, that's not a flaw.
Your brain receives around 11 million bits of information every second, but you consciously process only a tiny fraction of it. If you remembered everything, your mind would be completely overwhelmed. So your brain filters constantly. It keeps what feels important and quietly deletes what feels ordinary. That's why daily routines often blur together. But emotional moments are different. Strong feelings send a powerful signal to your brain. They tell it this matters. So those memories are stored more deeply. That's why you remember embarrassment so clearly, or moments of pure joy and surprise.
Your brain isn't deleting randomly.
It's prioritizing what helps you survive and grow. It strengthens memories that teach you something, and lets the rest slowly fade away. Forgetting is not weakness. It's efficiency at work. Every night while you sleep, strengthening some connections and quietly allowing others to disappear.